In the last video, Ariel got full serviced. But now we gotta look after the outside. And a little something too. Let's go. This pre-wash is literally just to take the heaviness of the dirt off. For anyone wondering, give the spray a quick scrub just to irritate it and make it work better. See what happens when you just leave it, all the purple. That's all the iron erosion and all this kind of jazz, all the metals and all the tar and rubbish like that. All before and after. I look here and I'm saying that looks like something of rough, but like what is on the table? The hell we'll remaining from the 320 bench. That will all go like. But look, I gotta do what we gotta do for now. Is after getting scratched. All here. But don't you worry. I'm getting that fixed. So now that area has been washed and the sacrificial arm has been sacrificed, about time you're due a mod. I'll be adding the sprays onto the wheels when it dries from raining, so that way it actually holds and the glass is nicer. Hit him with a B-roll, Jerry. And that little something, that's tints. yes, I have never tinted or wrapped anything before. This is the first time and we are learning. So sue me. So, botch job. We put it on temporarily so we can see, and it looks, let's just say, abysmal. But there's a vision. It is darker than the original ones by a mile. But there's something there. It was a lot darker than initially intended. But there's something there. We tried both the water with all the spraying, and then we also tried the heat with the hairdryer. But let's just say this was painstaking. People that actually do wraps and tints, I can't do it. So we spent ages, as you saw from the GoPro, and it looks perfect. If you just cut everything like this out. So we tried water, we tried heat, and we still couldn't do it. So we may have failed. There's very obvious, there is something there, but we just can't execute it properly yet. Not giving up just yet. We failed, but we're learning. Yes, cameraman, we failed. So we failed, yes, but we're learning. So we regroup, we try again in the next one, or maybe not the next one. Maybe just a different one. For another day.